What's going on once again, everyone? MonkeyDude22 here with another Xbox tip, trick, or tutorial video. And in this video today, I'm going to show you one of the newer features on the Xbox One dashboard and how to use it. That's right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region on your console, as well as how to select a different language within the dashboard. And yes, you can mix and match regions and languages. First, start by opening up the guide from the Xbox One dashboard. Then head on over to the System tab and then Settings. From Settings, head on down to System and Language and Location. Now under the System section, you'll find the option to change the current text language as well as the localized language region for a bit more fine-tuning. Now the location setting here at the bottom is for changing the country that the console thinks it's from and which Xbox store you'll be looking at when you go to make purchases. Now as a side note, this is not a way to circumvent digital geofencing. For example, if you're trying to change the console location to purchase a game in another which has not been officially released in the country your console is connecting from, it won't work. It also won't allow you to play games before they're released. For example, if you're connecting from the United States and try to change the console location to New Zealand, you're not going to be able to make the console think that you can play the game early. That is solely based on where your console is connecting from, not what the location is set to on the console. Anyway, feel free to make any changes as you see fit. If you are changing either the language or the location, you will need to restart the console for those changes to take effect. Well guys, that's going to about wrap it up for this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for new videos, please let me know by leaving a comment in the comments section below. Please click that like button if this video was helpful, and be sure to share it with your friends if they also want to change their language or location regions on their Xbox One console. And as always, if you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to click that subscribe button. I'm MonkeyDude22, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.